Guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can save your Memoji into your camera roll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have to send the Memoji to another person or even text myself that so I can save it in my camera roll, like into my photos. So I'm just going to click on the Memoji bit over here, and I am just going to talk with my Memoji and press record this big red button over here on the right. So I'm just gonna be like, hello, I am myself. I don't know what to say. And then I'm just going to press send and wait for it to load. And to save that, you're just going to click on it. Hello. You're just going to click on it and press the share on the bottom left corner. I don't know what to say. Scroll and press save video. And that is basically it. It has been now saved to my photos, or you can save it here even. But I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!